Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Stihl! Alright, this is number 4 that I put, guys. Remember, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm trying to teach you anything. Give me a second, I'm trying to fix anything. This is for my customers and one more. Picture, it's not enough. Also gonna do a video in Spanish and then voy a hacer video en español al final, mi gente. Alright guys, you can see here, I think it's like a 27 around there. It's not at 100%, but just to give you an idea where we are, okay? Now, alright, let me show you everything. I'm gonna go every corner a little bit by little, okay? This is the best I guess I can be to be fair with you guys. I'm putting a lot of them. I have like 100 of all sizes, especially the little ones. I have a lot. I'm gonna take my time, but to let you know that I do have, okay, in case you need blades. I have a lot of them. All right. Let me see here in the back, I don't know, let me show you just in case the line. Oh, let me do this. Oh, it's a good idea. Like that. You have a little, I think, a little better motion. Alright, that's a good idea. Alright guys, you have it here, thank you. Hola mi gente. ¿Qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Parece que mide como 27. Aquí tenemos otro estilo más original. El peso lo dice, tengo como 100 de ellas, tengo cantidad que voy a ir poniendo poco a poco. Ya las grandes se me están acabando porque he vendido muchas. Ahí más o menos les di una vuelta ahí para tratar de ser lo más sincero. Ya ustedes están viendo ahí, y acuérdense que aunque funcione yo vendo para partes. Es la forma que yo funciono mi negocio. Tengo muchos equipos que me han entrado mi gente. A poco voy a ir poniendo, ok. Bueno, ya saben que se me una la raza.